Taste it, sip it, taste it, face it. Wait, it's only 2 a.m. and I'm already fucking faded. Maybe I should slow it down, yeah.